Hey guys! Chris here. We're back for a new airdrop, a 100% free airdrop. A project, SIDEQUEST. Earn points just by doing the social task. You just need an active Twitter account and MetaMask for this campaign. Better if you are a PC or desktop user. Search SIDEQUEST.RCADE.game/referral on your browser. Then connect your Twitter. Make sure to authorize the app. Use my referral code in this video description to get a 500 points reward. Hit enter to confirm. Just scroll down to see social tasks. Just click start, then proceed to Twitter. Please read the instructions. Wait about a minute to get the points reward. Next is connecting our MetaMask wallet via mobile device. Download links in the description. Open your MetaMask on your mobile, then scan this QR code. Make sure to switch the network into Ethereum on your mobile. For step 2, just click the link. This is a daily task. Make sure to open it daily and do spins and social tasks. Remember, the more points you have, the higher the chance of an airdrop eligibility. Share your links with your friends to earn more points. If this helpful, follow this channel for more. See you next time. Bye bye.